My dear one, you have been trying to hold everything together, haven't you? Even with trembling hands, even as your heart whispers, I can't do this anymore. You keep showing up. I see how hard you're trying. Not just on the outside, but in those invisible places. The quiet battles no one else knows you're fighting. Let me speak into that sacred hidden space now. You are not weak because you feel tired. You are not failing because you have questions. You are not unfaithful because your prayers feel dry. You are human, and you are mine. You've confused closeness with me, with feeling me. But I want to remind you, my nearness is not dependent on your awareness. I am not a mood. I am not a passing wind. I am your constant. Even when your soul feels like a locked room, I am already inside, sitting with you in the quiet. You've been measuring your worth by your output, by your energy, your discipline, your ability to stay on fire. But I am not asking for your performance. I am asking for your presence. I do not need you to prove anything to me. I know you. I delight in you. Not for what you do, but for who you are, my child, my beloved, my joy. You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to justify your exhaustion. Lay it down here. All of it. Let the armor fall from your shoulders. The perfectionism, the pressure, the ache to always get it right. Just come, as you are, with the tears you don't want anyone to see, with the numbness you can't shake, with the quiet longing for more. Come. I am not disillusioned by your struggles. I am not disappointed by your silence. I knew the whole arc of your life before your first breath, and I chose you still. I called you mine. You've believed the lie that you're too much, or maybe not enough, that your sadness disqualifies you, that your inability to feel me means I've gone. But those are not my words. Here is my truth. You are not forgotten. You are not a burden. You are not too late. You are not lost. You are held. You are becoming. You are deeply loved. You are never alone. If all you can do is breathe, then breathe with me. If all you can offer is stillness, let that be the altar. I do some of my most beautiful work in the quiet places, the unglamorous places, the wilderness places. Trust this. I am not finished with you. Not by a long shot. What feels like emptiness is often the clearing of old ground. The silence is not a dead end. It is a beginning. I am preparing new soil in you, for deeper roots, for richer fruit, for gentler rhythms. So let the pressure go. Let the old expectations burn away. Come back to the simple truth. I am with you. I always have been. I always will be. You are not too far gone. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. Walk with me, slowly, honestly, just as you are, with unfailing love. I am yours.